Today we are going to start about vitamin D. Vitamin D is again a fat soluble vitamin. I told you there are 4 fat soluble vitamins. That means they are taken along with lipids in the diet. Because they are fat soluble, so they are a component of lipids. They are absorbed in the bloodstream. Those fat droplets which are absorbed from the diet, they are called as chylomicrons. So, as I told you in my last lecture in vitamin A, about vitamin A, there was that vitamin A within bracket retinoids, it consists of 3 components that I told previously, is also fat soluble. So, as I told you, there are 4 fat soluble: A, D, E and K. A we have done. Today we are going to do about D, then about E and then about K. So these are the 4 fat soluble vitamins. They are a component of your lipids because they are fat soluble. Because they are fat soluble. And because they are fat soluble, so they may cause toxicity. If taken in excess. So vitamin D, the name for vitamin D, it is also called as sunshine vitamin. Sunshine vitamin. Why? Because the UV rays, ultraviolet rays, UV rays of the sun, they act on 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is present where? In the skin. And it is converted to cholecalciferol. This cholecalciferol is later activated to 1-hydroxy 25-hydroxy cholecalciferol. This is called vitamin D3. You can say 1-hydroxy 25-hydroxy or 1,25-dihydroxy cholecalciferol. This is your active vitamin D. This is your active vitamin D. So vitamin D, it is one of the fat soluble vitamins, right? And when you take lipids, you take all the 4 vitamins. If a person is not taking any lipids, there will be deficiency of all these vitamins. If there are no lipids, then deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And so all the relevant clinical findings. Or if a person is taking lipids, but the lipids are not being absorbed. The lipids are not being absorbed because of some defect in liver. There is a defect in the production of bile salts. So there is no emulsification. So they are not being absorbed. So when the lipids are not being absorbed, when the lipids are not being absorbed, there definitely will be a deficiency of A, D, E, K vitamins, along with deficiency of essential fatty acids. So small amount of lipids in the diet is mandatory. Even those people who are trying to lose weight, they may take a little amount of oils in the diet, fatty oils, lipids in the diet, so that the deficiency of these essential vitamins along with essential fatty acids does not take place. So little amount of vitamin is important. So vitamin D is called sunshine vitamin. Now how much sunshine? Well, 15 to 20 minutes on exposed hands, face, etc. The skin would be enough. You don't have to put somebody on the rooftop in hot weather in order to create vitamin D. A small amount of exposure. A small amount of exposure. Small amount of exposure, 15 to 20 minutes would be enough to form this sunshine vitamin. How? Because in the sun there is ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays act on a preformed substance called as 7-dehydrocholesterol that is present in the skin and converts it into cholecalciferol. Cholecalciferol is later on acted upon by first liver and then kidney to form 1,25 dihydroxy cholecalciferol. That is you call as active vitamin D3. Now vitamin D is present both in animals kingdom and in plant kingdom. In animal kingdom, it is present in the skin, formed from cholesterol, and it is called 7-dehydrocholesterol. This was cholesterol. It is converted to 7-dehydrocholesterol and is stored in the skin. Now what happens is, this is 7-dehydrocholesterol. This is the animal form. And in plant kingdom, it is present in the condition, in the case of, the name is ergocalciferol. Ergocalciferol. I'll draw the formula. You will see that it resembles the one that I have drawn over there, with a slight difference that you will read now. In case of 7-dehydrocholesterol, this is C27. Cholesterol is also C27, 27 carbons. But this one is ergocalciferol. The name is ergocalciferol. Ergocalciferol. This is vitamin D2. This is called vitamin D2. Ergocalciferol. This is for plants. Now, up till this time, the formula is the same. The methyl groups. Now, what's the difference? The difference is that you have got a double bond between C22 and 23, and then you have got a methyl group over here, methyl group. So this is the difference. And you